What is HTTP? HTTPS. So let's do it. What is HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is what's used whenever you view a website developed by Tim Berners-Lee and his team between 89 and 91. HTTP is the set of rules protocol used for communicating with web servers for the transmitting of web pages data, whether that is HTML, images, videos, etc. What is HTTPS? It's HTTP but secure. HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP. HTTPS data is encrypted, so it not only stops people from seeing the data you are receiving and sending, but it also gives you assurance that you're talking to the correct web server and not something impersonating it. HTTP stands for hypertext. Ooh, the food is here. Transfer protocol. What does the S in HTTP stands for? It stands for secure. On the mock web page on the right, there is an issue. Once you found it, click on it. What is the challenge flag? Well, let's see. Welcome to Try Hack Me. It's using HTTP. That's the issue. Invalid HTTP certification. Certificate. All right.